Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening. My name is Prof. RSK. We are looking at the best way of growing carrots at home and the shortest way of making carrots grow in your house. All right, so you can get your carrots from any vendor, in the market sellers. You can just buy your carrots. Just get your carrots. Buy carrots from anybody. It can be farmers, it can be traders. Just buy your carrots. And after you've bought your carrots, wash it nicely like I have done. Okay, then you peel all the sides. Make it look very nice. Alright, and then you leave this portion, okay? You see this black area. You can make yours bigger, but I decided to do mine small. Alright, so you see, look at it. Alright, so you leave this portion. Alright, and then you wash it nicely just as I've said, and then I'll keep it in the fridge, not freezer. Alright, I'm going to reduce the temperature a little, okay, lower than 37 degrees Celsius. I'll reduce the temperature a little, so I'll keep it in the fridge, maybe a temperature of about 20 or 19 degrees Celsius. Alright, we are making science and technology very simple, and today we are looking at how to grow carrots in your house. Alright, so I'll keep it in the fridge for 2 weeks and then we'll come back and assess. Alright, so here we are. I have kept my carrots in the fridge, temperature 19 degrees Celsius, at most 20 degrees Celsius. It can even be lower. Alright, so we'll be back in 2 weeks to check what has happened to it. Hello, welcome back once again. After 2 weeks, this is how the carrots are looking. You can see germination process has started. Alright, I hope you can see it, how beautiful they are looking. Now look at it. Okay, so here we are. You can plant them in the soil, and then you have your carrots nicely displayed. You can also cut this portion. Alright, you can cut this portion, okay, and then you plant the rest. So this is how you can let carrots germinate at a low temperature of about 16, 17, 18, or at most 20 degrees Celsius. Thank you very much for joining me. My name is Prof. RSK, and I'm making science, technology easy and very, very interesting. You can kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel or search for Prof. RSK on all the social media platforms, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and you have more interesting videos like this. Kindly click on the bell icon so that any new video we put there, you'll be the first to get it. See you in our next video. Bye bye.